Alright, let's get on to the next part. So when you import a mesh into another game, um, whether it's Unreal Engine or Roblox, because I specialize in Roblox, but half the mesh will look invisible, and you'll be like, "What the fuck? I just spent so long making this mesh, and why is it invisible?" I'll show you why in a second. So basically, it is unnecessary for a game to really even. So let me restart. So here's a corridor. Let me finish making it real quick. Fill that. See a nice little tunnel right here. Now, this is 24 polygons, or this thing, let's just call it triangles. So this is 24 polygons, and polygons cause lag. So the more polygons in the game you have, the more lag you will have. So it's very important to keep the polygon count down. And the way people do that is by having the face, this is called a face by the way, point towards what you're going to look at. So if somebody is going down this corridor, it is necessary for them to see these, right? Because they're inside of it. But on this side, nobody is ever going to be right here. They are never going to be able to look at this. So Blender makes it so that only one side of a mesh part is visible. What is this black dot? What the hell? Oh, that's neat. So if you go ahead and click N and pull this thingy up, don't really know anything about it. I don't know anything inside of here. The only thing I do know is if you go into shading and click back face culling, you can see how the faces show. So if you were to import this into another game right now, this is how you would see it. So a player walks along, this wall is invisible to them. They don't see it. This wall's invisible. The ceiling's invisible, the floor is invisible, but this whole wall is visible. Now if you go on this side, so you go on this side, this wall is visible. You go on this side, it's invisible. Same goes for this wall and everything else. Now, there's two solutions to this problem, and one solution makes no more triangles. It's to flip the faces in. So the way you do that is you select the face, and then you do Control N, and bam, now you can see it. Underneath, you can't see it anymore. So you're walking through the corridor. Oh shit, the ceiling's invisible. Control N. Boom, now it's visible. Now select these two faces, Control N. Now it's visible. This wall's invisible still. So there we go. Now our corridor is visible to everybody inside of it. They can see all the walls and all the shit. There we go. Now on the outside, it's not visible because it's unnecessary to make it. So it's not very necessary to make this part visible because nobody is ever going to be on. What the fuck? Nobody's ever going to be on this side. Now, however, if you want it to be on that side, you can just do Control N and then flip it, and now it's all on the outside. Or here's another solution. If I undo all this crap, so I got this thing. Now I need to fix my faces problem, and a solution I have is if you go to View right here, or no, if you go to Object and you do what the hell? No, you have to select all your faces, and then you click Mesh, Faces, Solidify. You'll see the triangle count go up by quite a bit. And then you put this to 0. It went up, but now it's visible on both sides. So that's how you fix that. Alright, I'm done.